Exploring hidden valleys and the Darent Valley Path, a unique hiking adventure. Hello, hiking enthusiasts. If you're on the lookout for an unforgettable experience, I've got just the trek for you. Picture a 21.12-kilometer journey where you delve into the mysterious hidden valleys of North Downs and then immerse yourself in the charm of the Darent Valley Path, meandering through 3 quaint villages. That's precisely the adventure awaiting you on this hike. Highlights of the walk. Most of this journey presents fresh, uncharted grounds for you to explore. You'll kick off your trip on a picturesque country lane through the intimate Austin Lodge Valley, making your ascent towards the secluded village of Romney Street. From there, you'll navigate an undulating section leading to a ridge with breathtaking views of the Darent Valley. And the cherry on top, passing by Otford's scale model of the solar system. This village doesn't just boast celestial sights, it also offers charming old buildings and the ruins of Otford Palace, which in Tudor times rivaled the famed Hampton Court. Transport to the starting point. For those pondering transportation, Eynsford lies on the Blackfriars to Sevenoaks line. You can hop on a swift train from Victoria to Bromley South and switch there for the Sevenoaks train. Feeling weary, you can always opt for a train at either Shoreham or Otford, which are just down the line from Eynsford. And for those favouring a drive, there's a complimentary car park at Eynsford Station. Tips for a successful hike: pack water and snacks. Though there are villages en route, it's best to come prepared. Comfortable footwear is paramount. You're in for a challenging trek, so go for your trustiest hiking boots. Relish the journey. Beyond the physical workout, remember the aim is to connect with nature and the rich history of these locales. Manage your time wisely. Whilst walking might clock in at roughly 5 hours and 35 minutes, factor in breaks, meals, and ample view admiring. And there you have it, fellow trekkers. I hope you enjoy this hike as much as I did. Always remember to respect nature and leave everything as you found it. Until next time, Club Hiking in London in collaboration with Saturday Walkers Club.